Hey everybody, Tammy here and here. I wanted to talk to those of you with the Aver panels, especially those with the ViewSonic panels that have the new Aver boxes. So all of you with Aver panels that are needing to use the Meet app, Google Meet app on your panels are able to do so. And something changed, something happened with the app. You used to not be able to present and write, annotate on the screen, but I think it's working out really well now. And right now, as of this moment, I haven't quite figured out the putting a camera and a microphone on the panel, but that will come either on the panel or on the new AverBox. That will come, and then you would be able to do an entire meet from your panel. But for right now, what I am suggesting is that you have either a Chromebook or a laptop near you when you are needing to teach for the class and for some at home that may be working remotely. To go ahead and have a Chromebook or a laptop open with the Meet. Launch it from there and then join the Meet on your panel. So most of you are launching your Meet from Google Classroom, so go ahead and launch it on your desktop or your Chromebook that you're using, one of those, and then go ahead and launch from your panel as well. And you can go to the Classroom app and then choose the little camera. I'll show you what that looks like. But once you're up on the Meet on the panel, then you're able to present your screen and be able to teach the class with this panel and write all over it. And then those at home will have a full screen of what you're doing on the panel. So I think this is going to work out beautifully. All right, so first of all, I'm going to go to the Classroom app. I am going to need to sign in here just a second. I went to the Classroom app and came to this screen, and then I can go to, let me see if I've got a link open. Okay, so this is what you're going to see in the upper right, and this is the Classroom app on the panel. On the upper right, you see a little icon for a video camera, and that's where you're going to join your Meets. That's your Meet link. So you're just going to launch after you've launched from another device. Then you're going to launch it in here, and you're going to join it. And I'm going to actually join that as well on this device. Okay, so I'm going to join it actually on this device first. And then I'm going to join it here on the panel. And hopefully feedback won't be so bad. All right, so there's me all over the place. My goodness. I'm in a loop here. It's kind of crazy. So the app for Google Meet on the panel is a little bit different than what you see on a browser. The settings, instead of it being in the lower right, it's going to be in the upper right, and then just click the three dots, and then you get this just not as many settings that you can access. You can't change the layout of the grid for your students with the app. That has to be done with the browser. But you can present your screen. So actually now I'm going to present the screen from my panel. So I hit present screen because people will see everything. I'm going to start presenting. And I'm going to start. So now you're going to see, as you see right here behind my webcam, you're going to see that I'm presenting. And I'm actually going to go home, and you'll see it behind my webcam here. This is what I'm sharing in that Meet. So this laptop that I'm on that launched this Meet, actually, pretend that's a student and they're able to see full screen. They're going to be able to see some things on the right. So if you have your laptop, your Chromebook facing you, then they're still going to be able to see you on the side. But main screen is going to be whatever you're presenting. And I can go to my drive, and I can pick out, you can bring up a Google Slides presentation. And not just that, but I can click on the annotate button on the home key and I can write on it and it's showing to the class. And if you'll notice in the back, it is showing on the shared presentation as well. So that's awesome. So they're seeing it real big and you're using the microphone from your laptop or your Chromebook device so the kids at home can hear you, but they see, like, let me get rid of the webcam for a second. They see this right here, big screen, everything you're doing on this screen. I can get rid of that. I can go to Chrome. I can go to YouTube. I can go to anything. And again, what I couldn't do before was click on annotate, and now the annotate shows up in the app um, as well, and for all our kids at home. So real easy. Basically, you're joining on two devices, on a laptop or a Chromebook, and you're also joining that same meet on the panel with the Google Meet app, and you're sharing the screen from there. And don't forget, I'm going to go back to the meet because the meet's still going on. It's the Meet app is still active and it's still going on, obviously, because you can see it right there on the presentation. But remember, the app switch is a great way to go back and forth to different apps that you're using on here. So I'm going to go back to the Meet, and then I can stop presenting, and we're back to the Meet without anybody presenting. So hopefully that makes sense. And I'm excited that it's that easy for you. However, it may be easy for me. If it is confusing or if you have any trouble, please let me know. But basically, again, you are joining your meet on another device and you're using that microphone until I can figure out how to plug in the microphone to the panel or to the Aver box and get that working. I'm sure we're really close to that. And then you're using the microphone for that. So you'll need that near you. And then you are joining through the Google Meet app. You're joining your meet there. You can actually go to the classroom and click on the link or the little icon in the upper right to go to Google Meet for that classroom and then present screen. And remember, it's in the upper right, three dots, and then this pops up over here and you'll hit present screen and start presenting from your panel. Hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.